So last night when the kids were asleep and I needed to set my hair, I discovered the best way to show you how to roll a pin curl. I've never gotten the angle quite right when I'm showing how to do it. But it goes, first you make your loop on damp hair, hold onto your loop, and walk it down. The end doesn't have to be perfectly rolled, it just needs to not be kinked. And then flat side down. There's a standing curl. And then for a flat curl, I roll in alternating directions. See, I'm going to use my finger, make the loop. There's a tail right here. I'm just going to make sure it doesn't get kinked. And I press that straight. And I pin it. And that's it.